Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Deals Today. If you're looking to supercharge your email campaigns and connect with your audience more effectively, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the best email marketing tools for 2025. These tools are perfect for businesses of all sizes, whether you're just starting or looking to scale your operations. Let's get started with our list. Number 1. Sendex. First up is Sendex, an email marketing platform designed to simplify your workflow. This tool is all about giving you the features you need without the unnecessary complications. With its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can create beautiful, responsive email campaigns in minutes. What sets Sendex apart is its focus on analytics, offering heat maps and detailed engagement reports that help you optimize your campaigns. Whether you're a startup or an established business, Sendex delivers everything you need to engage your audience. Sendex key features. Number 1. Unlimited email campaigns. Send unlimited emails without worrying about extra charges. Number 2. Heat map reports. Detailed engagement metrics show where your subscribers are clicking the most. Number 3. Customizable templates. Choose from a variety of professional templates to match your branding. Sendex plans start at just $7.49 per month. Number 2. GetResponse. GetResponse is more than just an email marketing tool. It's a complete marketing suite. Whether you're looking to create professional email campaigns, host webinars, or build landing pages, this tool has got you covered. Its AI-powered personalization ensures that every email feels tailor-made for your audience. Plus, with its marketing automation workflows, you can design intricate campaigns that nurture leads and drive conversions. GetResponse is a fantastic choice for businesses looking for versatility and scalability. GetResponse key features. AI-powered personalization. Tailor your emails automatically based on subscriber preferences. Marketing automation workflows. Create complex, automated customer journeys. Webinar tools. Host live webinars directly from the platform to engage your audience. GetResponse plan starts at $19 per month. Number 3. MailerLite. MailerLite is perfect for beginners and small businesses looking for simplicity without sacrificing functionality. It comes with a clean, easy-to-navigate interface and all the essential features to get your email campaigns up and running. The drag-and-drop editor makes designing emails effortless, while features like automation and surveys add extra layers of engagement. MailerLite is a fantastic option for those who want professional results without the complexity. MailerLite key features. Drag-and-drop email editor. Create stunning emails with an intuitive design interface. Customizable landing pages. Build landing pages to capture leads and drive conversions. Integrated surveys and forms. Gather feedback and segment your audience effectively. MailerLite free plan available, and premium plans start at $10 per month. Number 4. SalesHandy. If you're focused on improving your email outreach and tracking performance, SalesHandy is the tool for you. It's particularly popular with sales teams and professionals who need detailed insights into how recipients interact with their emails. With real-time tracking, you'll know exactly when your emails are opened or links are clicked, helping you follow up at the perfect moment. SalesHandy also streamlines bulk email sending with its powerful mail merge feature, making it a must-have for targeted outreach. SalesHandy key features. Real-time email tracking. Know exactly when your emails are opened and links are clicked. Automated follow-ups. Save time by scheduling follow-ups that are sent only when needed. Team collaboration. Share templates and insights with your team for coordinated outreach efforts. SalesHandy plan starts at $9 per user per month. Number 5. Email Octopus. Email Octopus is an excellent option for businesses looking for an affordable, no-frills email marketing tool. It's lightweight yet packed with essential features, allowing you to create and send professional emails without breaking the bank. What makes Email Octopus stand out is its seamless integration with Amazon SES, which keeps your email costs low while maintaining high deliverability. It's a great fit for startups and nonprofits alike. Email Octopus key features. Customizable templates. Choose and tweak templates to fit your brand's tone and style. Amazon SES integration. Keep email costs low while ensuring high deliverability rates. Subscriber management, easily import, segment, and manage your contacts. Email Octopus free plan available, and premium plan starts at $8 per month. Number 6. EngageBay. EngageBay is more than an email marketing tool, it's an all-in-one marketing, sales, and service platform. This makes it ideal for businesses that want to centralize their operations. From email automation to social media management, EngageBay provides everything you need to build and maintain customer relationships. Its CRM integration means you can manage your contacts and email campaigns seamlessly in one place, making it a powerful choice for growing businesses. EngageBay key features: email automation. Set up workflows to engage and nurture leads automatically. CRM integration. Manage contacts, deals, and customer data seamlessly. Social media management. Schedule and analyze posts across multiple platforms. EngageBay plan starts at $11.99 per month. Number 7. Sender. Sender is a tool that combines simplicity with advanced features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you'll appreciate its pre-built templates and powerful analytics. The platform makes it easy to create visually appealing emails that are optimized for all devices. Its detailed analytics help you track your campaign performance and refine your strategies over time. Best of all, Sender's affordable pricing makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Sender key features: advanced segmentation. Deliver personalized emails to specific audience groups. Detailed analytics, track open rates, click rates, and conversions in real time. E-commerce integration. Sync with platforms like WooCommerce for targeted campaigns. Sender free plan available, and premium starts at $8.33 per month. Number 8. SendPulse. SendPulse is a multi-channel marketing platform designed to help you reach your audience wherever they are. Along with email marketing, it offers SMS, web push notifications, and even chatbots. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses looking to implement an omnichannel strategy. Its email automation flows and A/B testing features ensure your campaigns are both effective and optimized for maximum engagement. SendPulse key features: omnichannel marketing. Combine email with SMS, web push notifications, and chatbots. Email automation flows. Design workflows for onboarding, sales, or re-engagement. A/B testing. Test different email designs to see what works best. Dynamic content. Personalize emails with content tailored to each subscriber. SendPulse plan starts at $6.40 per month. Number 9. SmartMail. SmartMail is designed specifically for e-commerce businesses looking to maximize their sales through email marketing. From abandoned cart reminders to personalized product recommendations, this tool takes care of everything. Its pre-built workflows make automation a breeze, allowing you to focus on growing your business while SmartMail does the heavy lifting. SmartMail key features: personalized product recommendations. Use customer data to suggest relevant products. Pre-built automation. Automate emails for abandoned carts, upsells, and re-engagement. Seamless integration. Connect with Shopify, BigCommerce, and other platforms. SmartMail plans start at $19 per month. That wraps up our list of the best email marketing tools for 2025. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or part of a large enterprise, there's a tool here for you. Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Deals today, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.